Hi, people sometimes ask us, how long should I leave the bleach in my hair? You want to take the hair blonde, but you don't want to damage it. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Color, and today the doctor is in. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how long you're going to leave the bleach in your hair. Okay, let's go. So, bleaching levels. As you bleach, the hair starts to change color. It typically starts looking copperish or orange, and then it starts looking very brassy orange, orangish yellow, and then paler yellow, and then very, very pale yellow. And the answer to the question of how long you should leave the bleach in your hair is not a question of minutes, actually. The answer is you need to get it to this level. It needs to be looking like that. So you need to peel back the hair as you're bleaching and wait for the orange to go away, the orange yellow to go away, the yellow to go away, until you get to a very pale yellow color. And at that moment, you can rinse. So you must keep checking and peeling back, and if necessary, reapplying until you get to this level. Okay, so what does this level look like? Because we see a lot of mistakes out there. I mean, under bleaching is the most common mistake that colorists make and that trainee cosmetologists make. They bleach, but they don't bleach enough. So I'm going to show you what that level 10 looks like on real hair. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. So obviously you're a colorist. You have to use your eyes. You have to look very, very carefully. This is what level 10 should look like at the backwash. If it's not as white as this, you have not bleached the hair enough. When you towel dry, it will look slightly yellower. It will look like this. And then when you comb it, it will look slightly lighter again. It will look like this. So whether it's combed, ready for toning, whether it's towel dried, whether it's wet, now you know what color it should look like, and you leave the bleach in the hair until you get to see this color. Now, people sometimes say, I'm applying the bleach, but it's just going orange. It's not lifting enough. So chances are you've done something wrong in terms of your developer choice, quality of bleach you're using, the mix ratio, and how you're applying. So I will go through these very quickly and try and solve some of the most frequently occurring issues. Okay, let's go. So just remember, this is where you need to take the hair to. Nothing else will do. Okay, now the question is, how are we going to do it? Okay, great. Choice of developer. People ask us, which developer should I use? And the answer is, apart from very gentle color cleansing where you use 10 vol, you use 20 vol for 1 to 2 levels, and you use 30 vol for 3 levels or more lifting. Okay, so generally European heritage hair, which is level 7, and you're trying to take it to level 9 or 10, 20 vol will do. Anything darker than that, 30 vol would be the right choice. Now, people sometimes say, should I use 40 vol? And the answer is no, you'll just blow your hair apart. If you're using a good quality bleach, 20 or 30 vol will be enough. Ugly duckling bleaches, by the way, always work very well with 20 and 30 vol, and we never recommend you use anything stronger. Okay. Now, second question, the mix. The right mix is 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer. Why? It's very important that the mixture is fairly runny and moist. Otherwise, it doesn't work. It doesn't penetrate the hair, and it doesn't activate, and it doesn't lift. The other very important reason is when you're working with bleach, it's quite important to work really fast because you want to give all parts of the hair as equal a processing time as possible. So that's another reason for keeping your mixture a little on the liquid side. So mix ratio 1 to 2 is what we recommend. And finally, application details. You section as you would for any color application. Start from the back because that's where the hair is thickest. Remember my point about that equal processing time? Well, you start where it's thickest, so you're getting the thickest bit a little bit more processing time, and then you come around to the sides and the front where the hair is thinnest. And that way you're kind of evening out the differences in thickness. Be very generous with the product. Don't be one of those bleachers who bleach like this. You're not going to get good results that way. You've got to whack on the product, use plenty of product, and you've got to really saturate the hair with the bleach mixture. And if necessary, apply twice, because when you're checking and you're seeing, it's not that pale yellow level 10 yet, apply some more. Keep applying to the bits which are not lifting and try and get the whole head up to a level 10 result. And once again, please, please, please use quality bleachers. It's a misnomer that any bleach will do. You will not get that level 10 lift in an efficient way with the least possible damage to your hair, unless you use quality bleachers.